Hey, so we're making a recipe that our grandmother taught us. It's called Yummy. First you add hot water. Then you add oyster crackers. Yummy, yummy. Because oysters live in water. Literally. Look at those oysters. Okay. Then you add some Lipton tea packets. One more should be good. It's so delish, I don't even, okay. Then you add some flour, because flour is what makes it big, thick, juicy. Yes. Okay. Now you want to add some garlic salt because oysters can't live in fresh water. Salt water. Okay. And the last ingredient you want to add is food coloring because they'll get confused because the water's not blue. You know, you know what I'm saying? Because water is blue and they'll get confused and they'll taste nasty. Okay. So then, thank you. You want to mix it all up so yeah. This looks really delicious. Okay. And then you're going to want to put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. Hi, how are you? Oh crap, it's been more than 10 seconds. Okay. And then you want to eat it.